All right, I just wanted to do a quick video here to show you guys something that I found today that I've never seen before. And some of you folks probably have. I'd say Paul probably has, some of you other guys, but it's the first time I run across this. I was trying to set the transmit and receive sync up here. I'm measuring the voltage at 3.614 and then go ahead and zero, your zero pot on your regulator card. But the reading I was getting right here in the receive mode with clarifier off, the meter was just, readings was bouncing all over the place. They're stable right now, but I mean, it was just anywhere up to over 4.0 and down, 3.2, 3.1. It was just crazy. And the bottom scale down here on the meter was just fluctuating all over, like I had an AC signal in there with it, with the DC. So looking at the schematic on your clarifier wires right here, that's be these green wires coming out the back of the clarifier, following it over, going up here, it goes over to your processor card, but then it comes over here to your regulator board. I don't know if you can see this without the shadow here, but the wire from the VFO, the green wires, come through here and hit the wafer on your clarifier knob, on your clarifier switch. And I was getting the same reading here, of course. So being though it looked like an AC signal, I traced this back through, and this is your on-off switch, your push button to turn your clarifier button on and off. And with it in the off position, it hooks up this little offshoot coming off this clarifier switch, goes up here to the voltage regulator, which adjusts your clarifier pot there when you're aligning it. Be this one right there. And it goes through a diode and then goes down here to your on-off switch. And in off position, then it goes up here and hooks into this feed right here. But when it's on, then this becomes an open terminal, becomes dead. So this leg here isn't being used at all. And then it would stabilize right out. If I turn the clarifier on, then the reading here would stabilize right out like it is now, pretty quiet. So being though looked like I was getting an AC signal on this side of the diode, on the wafer on this regulator, I suspected this diode right here. And this switch here, or this voltage regulator pot, is this one here. And this is actually the one I took out with this Xenier diode on there. It's a 1551, I believe. 1555 maybe, something like that anyway. But it was showing good on the meter as far as testing it on the multimeter. But I went ahead and took this piece out of a chassis radio I had, and after verifying the potentiometer switch here, the voltage regulator was good on this, and I even sprayed it up a little and it was making perfect contact. I changed this whole piece out, and that fixed the problem. This diode here was actually causing this reading here to become very unstable, and it was actually letting some AC signal come through. So this wouldn't stabilize out, so I could align the zero pot on the regulator card, because there was nothing to align it to. It was just crazy all over the place. You guys may have seen that. I haven't. It's a first for me. So I just wanted to share that in case anybody else comes across it. If you're trying to set your transmit receive alignment up here, and that's unstable on your receive end before you even get going. If it looks like you're getting AC on the signal on the wafer on this regulator up here, this voltage regulator, you might suspect that diode and swap it out. And it worked for me. Just letting you guys know. Thanks.